Fun as it is.
What? No.
You're ruining little kids' dreams, Logan.
Oh, never mind. I found the case closed.
I'm gonna teach him how to pitch tonight if I go.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Get it?
You're still like.
I can't even see.
Nathan, that was fast.
Can you?
If you miss anything, you'll.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, that's it for now.
Well, don't put your arm up.
Oh, it hurt.
No. Go ahead.
Oh! No, sneeze on a list. Oh.
Jeez. Yeah.
He's gonna sneeze on me, I know he is.
No, I'm not gonna sneeze on you because I'm not a D-bag like you, Jake.
Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it takes a while.
That's group quiz.
Prism marker. Oh, that's.
It's alright, Nate. I forgive you with Brian. Alex. Douchebags. Close it. Seal it. Close it.
It is.
Probably like
Let's
20.
take a look at it, and then no.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Probably gonna be quick, Brian.
Well, I have a feeling I'm gonna catch a sickness tonight. So.
Okay. I'll give you time on mine.
Oh!
That was disgusting, dude. All over you guys.
Thanks, Nate.